How to go live on TikTok. Well, it's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started with the video. Start by heading over to your application TikTok. Make sure that you are logged into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, now what you need to know is you should at least have 1000 followers in order to go live on TikTok. If you do not have 1000 followers, then you will not be able to go live. So if you have 1000 plus followers, then click on live at the top left corner of the screen. Once again, click on go live at the top left corner. Here it will access to your camera. At the bottom you can see tons of different options: voice chat, device camera, and as well as live studio. Choose whichever option that you want and then click on go live. You can also add a title to your live at the very top and also add topic if you want to. Different other option or feature will be available to you in the screen. Once your setup is done, tap on go live and it will start your live video on TikTok. So that's the wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.